हाँ नीचे करो, नीचे करो। हाँ बराबर।
Initially, existing rail level marked with white paint and proposed rail level marked with red paint. This particular location, this proposed lift of existing track, it is 275 mm.
उधर जाओ. Particularly this location, there is a difference of tracks. Third line, then up line, then down line. Wherever crossovers will come, either up to third or up and down, that crossovers we shall keep it in mind, that is in the same level. That is number one. Next, second one is each line we must maintain the same gradient as per given in ESP.
Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Railway Engineering by Subbarao. Today our topic is regrading of existing tracks. Up and down lines, regrading has been done while remodeling of Jaithari yard in Bilaspur division of SECR during execution of third line RITES project. Next, while remodeling of existing yard involved the following works. Number 1, extension of existing loop lines, provision of additional loop lines, renewal of existing turnouts, provision of new crossovers, dismantling of existing dead ends, sand dumps, turnouts, part of the lines, construction and extension of new platforms, construction and extension of FOBs if required, and construction of new station buildings and providing of passenger amenities, etc. Due to provision of new emergency crossovers, length of yard has been increased, resulting gradient of either side of yard required to regrade as per the site conditions. Next, works involved for regrading in existing tracks. Number 1, raising of track by track lifting. Number 2, crossover portion should brought to the same plane of level. Number 3, elimination of sacks. Number 4, calculation of amount of lift by recording of levels. Number 5, avoiding the lowering of track. While regrading, if possible, provide recommended gradient, that is 1 in 1200. If not possible, at least maximum steepest gradient, that is 1 in 400, shall be provided on existing track. Next, preliminary works for regrading. must be decided either manually or by machine. Assessment of ballast and procurement. Number 3, marking of existing and proposed rail level on OHE mast or on pegs fixed at suitable intervals. Next, here programmed regrading with TT machine, that is CSM, with speed restriction of 45 kmph. As per the manual provisions, the lifting should not exceed 50 mm at a time, but here lifted up to 70 mm as per the machine conditions and operator confidence. Next, pre-tapping works. Number 1, providing of all missing fittings. Number 2, tightening of all fittings and fastenings. Number 3, renewing of broken and damaged slippers. Number 4, squaring and spacing of adjustment of slippers. Number 5, removal of OHE rail bonds and jogged fifth plates. Number 6, marking of lifting ramp on slippers. Next, during tamping, that is after each round of tamping. Number 1, marking of lifting ramp on slippers before each round of tamping. Number 2, checking and recording of cross levels. Number 3, filling up of a ballast at packing zone. Number 4, checking of lifting with reference to the existing rail level. Number 5, attention to axle counter areas, glute joint areas and SECR locations. Next, works after final round of tamping. Number 1, refixing of OHE rail bonds and jogged plates. Number 2, attention to axle counter location, glute joint location and SECR locations. Number 3, checking and recording of cross levels. Number 4, ballasting and profiling. Next, during yard remodeling, under exceptional circumstances where due to site constraints and techno-economic reasons, it is not practicable to adhere. If such a situation, grade condemnation to be obtained by competent authority.
सब आप देखिए
120 नीचे कितना आ रहा है नीचे से कितना हो गया ये भी 120 हो गया 130 और 125 हो गया
अभी आप रस्सी का ऊपर पकड़ो।
अब रस्सी को ऊपर पकड़ो 120 आ रहा है
ठीक है, रहिए उधर ही रहिए।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स
प्रोग्रेस देना। ये तो कैसा ट्रैक एम्प्टी हो गया वो दिखा रहा हूँ मैं। ठीक है, हाँ नीचे करो, नीचे करो, हाँ बराबर।
Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. If you were interested, kindly like, subscribe, share your friends group, ask them to subscribe such more technical and practical videos. Thank you very much.